Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how you can very quickly update Facebook Messenger application on any Android phone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also, do not forget to write your comments and put likes under the video. So, let's get started with this topic. And I want to show you the whole process from the beginning. First of all, you're going to need to open up this app here, which is called the Play Store. This is the app where you can download absolutely any app you want. This is where you downloaded Facebook Messenger. This is where you update it. When you open the Play Store, in the search box, type in the word Messenger. Find this app and click Update. As you can see, it will immediately start the process of updating the app. And you'll be shown a percentage like this. These are the percentages of how many percent the Messenger app is already loaded. As you can see, the process is pretty quick, meaning it won't take more than a minute, that's for sure. And once the Facebook Messenger app is updated, you can easily open it either immediately or from your desktop screen. This is the way, very quick and easy, you will be able to update Facebook Messenger app on your Android phone. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.